Struggling to breathe while swimming? What if I told you that in just one simple adjustment, you could glide through the water effortlessly? No panic, no gasping, just smooth, easy breaths every time. Welcome. Today you're going to learn the simple secret to breathing effortlessly while swimming. Whether you're a beginner or just struggling to stay calm in the water, this technique will change the way you swim forever. Swimming is one of the most rewarding exercises you can do, but for beginners, there's one challenge that often feels impossible: breathing. You might have experienced that panicky feeling when your face is in the water, your lungs begging for air, and it seems like you're struggling more than moving forward. The good news? Breathing and swimming isn't something you have to fight. It's something you can master with the right approach. And today you're going to discover exactly how. First, let's understand why breathing feels so difficult. Unlike walking or running, swimming forces your body to coordinate movement, buoyancy, and air intake all at once. Your muscles are working, your heart rate increases, and yet your lungs are only allowed a fraction of a second to refill. It's no wonder beginners often feel overwhelmed. But here's the secret. Swimming isn't about holding your breath or forcing air in. It's about rhythm, timing, and confidence. One of the most common mistakes beginners make is trying to lift their heads completely out of the water to breathe. This creates drag, slows you down, and can actually make it harder to take a proper breath. Instead, the key is to rotate your head naturally with your stroke. Imagine your body moving in a smooth, twisting motion, and let your mouth break the surface just enough to inhale. You don't need to lift your whole head, just enough to let the air in, and then turn back to continue gliding through the water. Another game-changing tip is exhaling underwater. Many beginners hold their breath until their mouth breaks the surface, which can create tension and panic. Instead, breathe out slowly and steadily while your face is in the water, and then inhale quickly when you rotate to breathe. This simple adjustment keeps your rhythm steady and prevents that feeling of running out of air mid-stroke. It might feel strange at first, but once your body adapts, you'll notice how much easier swimming becomes. Timing is everything. You want your breathing to sync naturally with your stroke. For freestyle swimming, many beginners benefit from breathing every 2 strokes, which creates a comfortable balance between effort and oxygen intake. Some swimmers even alternate sides to maintain symmetry and reduce strain. The idea is to make your breathing feel like a natural part of your motion, not an interruption. Confidence plays a huge role too. The more relaxed you are in the water, the easier breathing becomes. Tension in your shoulders, neck, or chest can make each inhale feel forced. Focus on smooth, controlled movements and trust your body. Your lungs are capable, your rhythm is improving, and with practice, breathing will feel effortless. Finally, practice makes perfect. Incorporate breathing drills into your routine, like floating while exhaling slowly, or using a kickboard to isolate your breathing. Short, consistent sessions are better than long, stressful ones. Each time you step into the pool, you're training your body and your mind to breathe efficiently and confidently. By mastering these simple techniques, rotating your head, exhaling underwater, syncing your breath with your strokes, and staying relaxed, you'll transform swimming from a stressful challenge into a smooth, enjoyable experience. No more gasping, no more panic, just effortless breathing, fluid movement, and pure confidence in the water. So the next time you step into the pool, remember, it's not about holding your breath longer or forcing air. It's about rhythm, technique, and trusting your body. Apply these secrets, and you'll not only swim more efficiently, but also enjoy every stroke you take. Swimming isn't just exercise, it's freedom, and breathing effortlessly is the key that unlocks it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Practice this technique, and soon swimming will feel smooth, effortless, and completely stress-free.